1952 Martin 75 twist shift. This one had the basket case option. It was overheated really bad at one point, so the cylinders ran around. I was able to rigid hone them and straighten them up. I re-rung it, swapped the coils out for OMC coils. The carburetor was a mess. I had to make a high-speed jet. The float had a hole in it. The cam follower for the throttle was hanging off barely, so I had to braze that back on. The end of the recoil spring was broken. Just lots and lots of little stuff, but came out pretty good. I still got to tighten up the poppet valve clearance. That clattering kind of drives me crazy, but it runs pretty good.